Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, alishanmao here. Today we are driving the Flytech Crocodile head. I hope we don't lose it. It's windy and plenty of water here. The boat is always on. There's a toyish grade radio, so I'm not sure how much range we'll get, but as soon as you put the boat in the water, the radio should work. Let's give it a try. Hold on. Put it in the water. Careful.
Wow. But Papa, I think this is a bad idea.
No, it's not a bad idea. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Drive Irish, drive it around.
Okay, I'm turning it.
Yeah, go forward. It looks awesome. Go away from us. Go away from us.
Okay.
There you go. There's a crocodile in the waters. Looks pretty real, right?
Yeah.
Keep driving, like slowly slowly forward drive.
It's always turning.
Then give it something.
Papa, this is a bad idea.
It's not a bad idea. Our crocodile is driving still.
It's always turning circles. I'm going from.
Looks fun to drive, right?
If we drive it in a swimming pool.
Yeah, that will be much more fun. Ah, it's coming to me! The range seems to be okay on the radio, but the controls are very complicated. Arish is doing his best to bring it back to the shores so he can pick it up. They should probably give a little bit of body backside as well, right? If the water is calm, then it works really nice, right?
Let's put some sound system.
Yeah. Like, oh. Do they make this kind of sound?
No. When they're swimming, they are so quiet.
Yeah, that's why they make it very quiet.
The prayer is there.
This is really a fun idea, man. It can actually scare some people if they don't know, and if it is coming slowly to them. But the controls are really tricky and not often go straight, right?
Yeah. Ah!
Who is scared?
Start this board.
How about backward driving?
Okay. Coming.
Does it drive straight?
I'm just driving backward.
Who is trying to kill our crocodile?
Pick it up.
Wait, stay here. Oh, this is a very realistic shot, like he's hiding behind something. Maybe we can modify a boat under this alligator head. Ew, don't touch it. Maybe we can modify this boat under the head. We can put some faster and nicer, high quality boat, right?
Yeah. It's just the same.
Keep going. You want to see the range on this radio? Someone is trying to kill our crocodile. How do you throw a stone at it?
Just one?
Throw a stone at the crocodile. It's coming to us. Oh, that was a nice shot. Bring back on that side, Arish, so we can pick it up. Seems to have plenty of battery, right? The battery is really nice. The playtime is very long and nice.
You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.